A kangaroo court is a fake or unfair court that only pretend to follow justice. It looks like a real court, but in reality, the decision is already made. The accused person has no real chance to defend themselves. Laws and procedures are ignored. The process is used to punish, silence, or shame someone. In simple explanation, we can simply say it. A kangaroo court is when people say they are doing justice, but they are actually acting unfairly and illegally. Some key features of a kangaroo court are no independent judge, no fair trial, no proper evidence, no right to defense, outcome decided in advance. Why it is called kangaroo? The word kangaroo suggests jumping over proper legal step. The court skips due process and moves straight to punishment. If someone is accused, judged, and punished without evidence or fair hearing, that is a kangaroo court. Why it is dangerous? Well, it destroys trust in justice. It used to target political opponent, like one of Dr. Machar. It encourages abuse of power. Innocent people can be punished. In real justice system, everyone has the right to a fair hearing, legal representation, independent judges, decision based on evidence, not politics. Gwazeme banarache kamalut kangaroo code. Dio jela ne tungwala kana nen kila kana ling nishiang ano tem shale kangaroo code. Kangaroo code wajen look mite tara kekach. Look mitel peri mishana perten no. Look netin lokana la ken pretend kila wikeron illet ken mila talk no lo chere ke look pain la ken area ke look do no ka talk de man talk de la ken decision di al chaga tung made already lo tel ramadana sha gwan men loke tele je banko da road le defend man je ka dana jala ke je da jala lat da dia la yo gaka ba ngot ken duptin kon de look de lar ke la ka bal ka ken dial no mala lat ke long la lar process ne ko baram danan chicken guje ken ichi der chelat baje punish ken ka bajo ro baje gek ano lo be karam mo man lukan be ken jaga ja rami bi poy ke ram ba guje lo telle mengece ke telle lot ade ko lar enena kangaroo court gwada danan lokanatin ken de konan loka kwa ka look a tel pair lo loka ka do mi shajen shirme shalin ka look Dr. Machar chi Dr. Machar chela do nene man de look hybrid court can take long on it but she kirm yadit man chalel afterward she establish a special court hearing again shall come a kangaroo court cause kuken Dr. Machar kuken look a tel pair so na me amiditin minyodo di tidial wacha ka ladore di ngai kan do dan wo pen pinkeje kuken la west na time no mo chale di chale kangaroo court